Hi everybody, it's Julie and welcome to Memory Dex Monday. I'm going to go ahead and make a Memory Dex card, and I am using the Romantic Valentine postcards. And what I did was I printed on the photo setting of my computer. I asked it to print 4 of the, I think it was 3.5 by 5. So it took the 8.5 by 11 and gave me 4 of this image. So that gives me 4 of these little tiny images. And I'm going to go ahead and work with this one. And I don't think I've mentioned it, but this Valentine right here reminds me of my mom when she was a little girl. There are, pictures of my mom, and this is very much what she looked like when she was a little girl. She had the curly-ish hair and everything. So I've just gone ahead and cut around this this little card. I chose this. I don't know which side I'm going to use yet. But I went ahead and I have cut this out using the Memory Dex die from Heidi Swap. And my favorite one is the one with the rounded top. So I have used that. And of course, if I just put this on here, it's going to get lost. So I have some of these doilies. I got this in the baking section at Michael's. I love them. If you remember the haul video where I got them, I bought one package and I just wanted to see if they came apart easy, and they do. It makes it worth it. They cost a little bit more, and I'll just be watching when the baking stuff's on sale. I'll pick those up. It also has a more intricate design than like these ones that I have gotten various places. I think these might be Dollar Tree or Dollar General. So I could do something really symmetrical. I did also pull out these words. I'm trying to use these up. A lot of these words are very Valentine-y. So so the other thing I have is in my tags over here. I still have some of these tags left from Anna Griffith. I didn't use them all in the kits. I used most of them. Oh, I like this one. I like this one. So do we want to go up with the doily or down with the doily? Put these back in the tag section. Kind of like the doily down. Tag up, doily down. Tag up. Okay, so then I pulled out a variety of the little tags that I have. Just because I thought it would be kind of fun. And I have this, the word love that we made, or that I made, me and the mouse in my pocket. And I thought I might be able to use that also. And this is the last of my big pearls. So after I made up the kits, this is the last piece of the big pearls. So it was sitting on my desk to use it up and make it go away. Okay, so we do have, and the other thing is there is, this is something you can make with your Romantic Valentine kit. You'll use your tag, which would be, it'll be different. It might be more like this, or like this, but you'll have one in your thing. And then I thought could go ahead and you could write a note on that. Woo, little note. So this I got at Hobby Lobby. when our Hobby Lobby had their grand opening, I picked these up. So, of course, we still don't want to forget to add our Valentine. And our words. Let's see. Forever yours. Cherished. Love. Heart. Remember. Happiness. Fave. Simple. Details. Favorite. Tomorrow. Photograph together. Yeah, I like forever. Or on here. Forever. Yours. Okay. Yeah, I think I want this to kind of go across the top. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pinch a little place on here. And this one will hold this on when I'm ready. So that's how we're going to do that. We'll put those like that. Here we have this, Forever Yours. We don't want to lose the Love's Token. And yeah, I kind of like all that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and glue what I have so far. We're just going to go ahead and use the Tombow Mono. I'm going to go ahead and this will just be so much faster to just use the bottom. Okay. Because it is time to open a new glue. I just made that whole journal, so it probably really is time for a new glue. So then we'll come to this one, and I'm just holding the top down because I don't know where the top to the glue is. I'm bad about that. And then when I'm ready to just blend it, just let go, and the glue stops coming out, usually, once you... There we go. Put it in. Okay, so we had this coming across like this. And I wanted the doily to show at the bottom, and it is. Okay, next we have the card and this card. So go like this. And okay, because of this, where the black is down here, and I don't want to lose those flowers. So we're going to go ahead and put her down first. So I'm really enjoying using these, the digital postcards, and having them in a variety of sizes, or being able to use them in a variety of sizes has been really fun. I did give you a JPEG file as well as a PDF file so that you could open these and print them in whichever program you want to do it in. And I did it because, you know, I'm sometimes technically challenged and to be able to do these little prints, I needed the JPEG. Also, with the JPEG, I mean, you can go ahead and print both of them, and there is a little bit of a difference. And so I wanted you to have the choice. Since I use both. I used the PDF one for my black and white images, printed it in grayscale. And I really like the way that turned out. Okay, so we have our little note here. Okay, then we have this. And I thought I could come in from here. I'm going to go underneath this card, and I'm going to add some glue there once we figure out where it's going to go. Okay, so there, right across. Okay, I like that. I do. I do like that. The one other thing I thought we could add is, and these are just laying on my desk, okay? Because it's some sequins. And I thought it might be kind of fun to have a sequin kind of coming out of this. Like this. And maybe a couple of the other little ones moving up. No, don't like that. Yeah, I think just, what if we put one in the middle of that? Nope. Okay, we do also have the pearls. And nowhere does it say we have to add these. I'm not going to. Okay, I like the big one. And so I'm going to put it so that it's okay. How in the heck did that get stuck in there? I don't understand. Sorry. That is so weird. It's like it's totally stuck in there. I don't understand. Well, we'll let it dry before we put it back in there, that's for sure. Okay. What I was thinking is, could go ahead and, I don't know if my stapler is too big. If I put a staple on it that will turn it into, like, this would be its little tab, was what I was thinking. Okay, so we'll leave that out while it's drying, but you get the idea. It's going to go inside here, coming out a little bit. The one other thing that I wanted to do was to add some of the fingernail polish to the flowers. I really like adding fingernail polish to the flowers. I've had several people write to me and tell me what I could do to be able to get this to last longer, and Sorry, I haven't tried any of them yet. One was what? Add fingernail polish to it, or fingernail polish remover, excuse me. And I'm going to do that. And I did want to tell you that this is the one from Dollar Tree. I really like this one because it dries clear. There's no tint to the polish part. So when I'm just going around and dabbing this, like I'm doing here, it's gonna dry clear with glitter. Okay. Some of the other ones will have like a little bit of a yellowish gold tint, and they will change the way your picture looks. So, yeah, so I'm not really happy with that happens. So now I'm going to just come up and add some to this flower also. And what I'm doing is I'm treating it like it's a paintbrush. And I'm starting from the outside and coming in. Just like whoever did this originally with with the watercolor has just kind of come in from the outside, and then I'm going to go to the center and just add a splotch on the center. Okay, so that is how I'm going to decorate that. And there, so I'm really happy with having used some of the items having used this item that was on my desk that I wanted to use up. And so there we go. So that would be our Happy Valentine's Day Memory Dex. We could put our 3 hearts down here. Nope, don't like it. She hold that one? Nope, covers her face. Just giving this a last minute shot here. Okay, I'm going to be, I don't like how there's nothing in this. So I'm just going to kind of go around the edges here. Bring some more of the gold glitter. I love sparkle anyway. Now, if you were going to be using pictures on this, do not use the fingernail polish. Don't use fingernail polish anywhere that you're going to be putting photographs. Or keep them protected. Okay, I like that. Could have done that with like some, could have coffee dyed the tag, or, which would have worked, or distressed it. So there we go. So that is my Valentine Memory Dex for today. And I hope you enjoyed this video. It is using the Romantic Valentine. And this has been reduced down to like a 3.5 by 5 size. And this is available, this set of postcards. The digital download is available in my Etsy shop at Dearjuliejulie. That's all one word. And there are still Romantic Valentine kits. There's still a couple of those left in my Etsy shop as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, put them down below. Find something to celebrate every day. And don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing day. Bye.